And we're right now, meet for
yo, look who come give her a link. Nice.
Yeah. The realest not the realest, man. Baker. Yeah.
And I need a bum buckle at Baker. Keep baking it. Baking it.
Bake it. Yeah, man. Yeah.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Man, them say, where my father? Oh, my father pass out him in a room and there's some man a fan him. When the man them go in there, the man them find my father butt ass naked. Butt ass naked. With 5 men inside of the room. I give him CPR. No boy can't give me CPR. You have to make me dead for me wake up out of that.
Yeah, people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know what's a NEWLINK there, and from NEWLINK production, man. And we say attacking of viewers and subscribers. So right about now, people, boy, I be things are going on now, Zin. I be something. I want me say be things are going on, people, because now a thing published out there where a big news, Zin, where several vloggers talk about a broadcast it and thing, and yo, I understand your feelings as a vlogger still. Cause you know we are vlogger, we know the thing go. We have to run with story and thing, get views and you get me as a people, I say go. But you see me people personally, sometimes me can get some heavy views on some topic, you know what? But now I go really trouble on topic there. Because you see when me see something not really connect and something what I mean that you will have sense, it don't make no sense, me just come better, me just wait for a different side of that thing that will come towards me, then me do my part to it. Zin? And now people it's about this cokehead crackhead boy. Not even say cokehead, this crackhead boy where name about Haffi bake it and this and that. When me really I got talk about. Now, Zin, and you don't know say NEWLINK. I don't pick side in the music, people. I deal with the realistic thing in the music. When me have the vlog by any artist. Zin? And this crackhead boy now who come forward now and publish out video. Say him have MAVAD0, Secret and Alkaline. This and about 5 man. This and MAVAD0, Alkaline. Did I do lean and crack and cocaine and this and MAVAD0 knockout and 5 man do this team RAPEM and them something there over Miami people. Zin? And wish in my senses, people, look into the whole thing. Zin, I have to say, yo, Jano, you think this really possible, people? Alright, you know, everybody must know this. A man who smoke crack, people, is totally different from a man who do cocaine and a man who do weed. Crack is the cheaper part, you know, of cocaine. You get me? Crack is like the waste of cocaine, which is the waste. See? So crackhead that the man that we see now look mad and dirty up on road like the one we see now boy name Bake It. That's a crackhead. It's an example of a crackhead. And how can you look on a man like MAVAD0 and say my burn crack people? Using the senses, see? I'm not going to say man not smoke weed. I'm not going to say man not sniff coke. I'm not going to say that. You know do it. But you know confirm by me say MAVAD0 do them shit there. You see? I know MAVAD0 about him weed and thing. I'm not going to say him not do him lean and thing or whatever. I'm not going to say because I'm not. But when it come on to the crack part, people, come on. Now this look a punk now. I gotta say 5 man rape the man, people. Serious thing. Look into this thing, people. MAVAD0, you know, and Alkaline. So if that did happen, where was Alkaline at the time? Why him and Alkaline a drink and Alkaline move and gone and left him? And you don't know MAVAD0 and Alkaline. Now I got the one place people without man there around them. Me I tell you that unless of them are some girl in some place and I do something. Zin? But you say bad mind is a real thing. And MAVAD0 reach out to somebody personally because MAVAD0 even send out a post towards this and give this little full no strength. So MAVAD0 reach out to somebody personally want a link and him link reach out to NEWLINK and say NEWLINK, here we go on now. And we are going to tell you where all of this come from. You see the boy Bake It people is a local waste man. Zin? And look at it. MAVAD0 star international big star people. This boy come with a thing now where him kill a youth who him say comfy, rob him and thing and him come and bow. After bake it on this and him look a foolishness, see? Wish he was an artist back then when saying him Danny Vengeance or where want him. Wish him not a big artist because him not get no big break in the music in a fame time, see? So now MAVAD see my MAVAD me rate him or something, and you know what I mean, MAVAD link him up and he just come. He never sing no part in the song, you know, people. The boy don't sing no part. In the end, when MAVAD link the man, Zane, first MAVAD team reach out to him as to where it's NEWLINK. Him say, yo, him no need no money. You get me? I say, the God money, you say, man, not a simple thing, you no need no money. It is said MAVAD give the boy $1,000 people, US. You get me? And him blew up that, you know what I mean? Because crackhead, as me I tell you, crackhead, him blew it up, people. You get me? Then come back around and the boy get $1,000 more, so he get $2,000 US for do nothing in our song, you know, people. Him waste the money, and you see how long he did a bill and I keep quiet. And if you check, people, get me, I say, just check. And some posts will make recently on this boy page, and you get me, I say, MAVAD page. I be like and comment him a comment under them and I big up the God. It's just recent weeks now. I don't know what happen if a next man who no rate MAVAD or who no want look a beef. Give this man a something now, people. And I saw him start coming now and start lick head now and get a look thing, and it frighten him now and him feel like he can't come this MAVAD, which is wrong. Because in the end, people, them have defamation of character. And him can't get sued, but sue him for what? Because him broke with the washover that we call gold sit them where have. Them they are not a goal. Them look a dirty sit the way of lightning, lick him, strike him in them. You get me, I say, people? And I saw him come for now and I want to come this MAVAD. This look a dirty head crackhead boy, Danny who name. You get me? I not pick side in music. I mean, enough people like I say, NEWLINK, you this Gaza man, so what is me? I'm not Gaza, I'm not gully. You get me? I say, I deal with the reality people, I deal with the realistic things. Zine, look how MAVAD keep quiet in himself, people. Look how the man live different, be honest. We understand at times being having a look a breakthrough and look a fall out with people and look a thing go on with Drake, because MAVAD never trouble Drake the other day, people. Drake trouble MAVAD because what them a do now, them a try wake up the God now. You get me, I say, stir up some things. If you notice, people, because the man did the quiet and again him success same way. The man a build mansion on top of mansion, and that's a bad mind a come in. Because they not like so when I get to youth progress. Them not like so when I get to youth I make it. Zine and MAVAD show them over and over. Them a go say the man can go to Jamaica. Go to Jamaica for what? If the man can do overseas and again, people can him see what go on at Jamaica. If he go down there now, what them a go do to him, he see it. Him know when see a reach family, where reach other artists, same way. So the man a staying at the right. You get me? And if I would know, say, yo, if me travel, maybe me I go get old and capture and captive, and I don't know when me I go come out people. When me could have the overseas, I relax with my wife and pick them. Now my big mansion, and so me I go turn over there. And I live my luxury life same way. Zine? So this youth now, thinking that vengeance, maybe believe say, MAVAD give him a big break or a big contract, people. We should not happen now. And I just say the bad mind I come in. Zine? God, yo, me I tell the people, be a makeup story the boy attack. Be a makeup story. Zine? Him got say people got check file with MAVAD and this and much rape case and this. That boy is a wicked and cruel boy. This look a dirty crackhead boy. Zine? This look a dirty crackhead boy. And him got say about MAVAD and cassava. People, MAVAD rated a cassava piece. MAVAD highly rated a cassava piece. Any man can tell you that. Boom boom can tell you that right now. Even the same foot of hype can tell you that. Even if him a MAVAD and a friend, he can tell you that. MAVAD highly rated a cassava piece, people. Zine, the man still highly rated down there. So when this little dirty crackhead boy with the over Florida, this now I come style up the man and diss up the man, people, them way then I come tell lie upon the man. But in the end, as I tell the people, you notice MAVAD keep calm. You know what I mean? And me know MAVAD a lot of fans out there, people, and a lot of man who are rough him right now. And then we go do something, but me ask no please. Not do nothing because you don't know, so once and nobody go do nothing to this little crackhead and waste money in the people. It go and fall back by MAVAD shoulder was reach at the artist and them go say when MAVAD not nothing for do with nothing. Zine, but this man is just a devil sent. Like Corona wake up the devil inside of this a look at the head sitting here. This little ugly looking thing. Zine, within 2 months side them a goggle white sitting like say I don't know if it's like him a milk cow with him mouth. Yo, if you look at hype, brother, go look at hype somewhere. So get a hype because you murder a man. Zine, hold the hype there. MAVAD give you a hype and the man comes up, boom, and you get $2,000 US. Zine, in at the end. And you know, but we are doing a song, you sing partner song, you sign contract, nothing, you talk, say you didn't want to do the thing for free. And then in at the end you want money. Where you want money for dirty thinking than the vengeance? Dirty Haffi bake it. You come, yo, people, that's why I tell you see in this world, people, you say bad mind, turn up. And bad mind I like say when youth progress. You get me I say? But in the end, people success now stop come MAVAD way. Because the man a do him thing, people. You get me? The man a move like some. Yo, if you notice how the man a move, people, it's a totally different side of MAVAD, you see. The man fling with all of the look this and that style. The man say progress and a straight progress, the man a deal with people. See, at times you will see people try their best to interrupt and trouble the man. But Lord, the man they make it. See, leave them make them make it. Leave them. Me don't know why we can't just watch brothers and sisters them gain success. Look on it, people. See, everybody are trying to settle them difference because them see what this world is right now. Look at the recent settlement with Jada Kingdom and SIL3NCE. Who would expect that? Who would expect after this backlash and them big something I did go on with Jada Kingdom and SIL3NCE? Who would expect say they made that turn around and come be friends now? It is a shocker. And I saw the man them for pray peace and make money. Zine, and left out some cokehead boy because now pay. We see them try to do it with several other artists and try to trample them down. We see them do it with cargo people. Look on it, you know. We see them do it with cargo where producer try to trample them and burn down cargo. Zine, and I saw them want to come do the God. Yo, leave the God, make the God rise, man. And we don't have to make him rise because the man no rise and him continue to rise. Make the youth eat, go and eat him food and make the money because it's out there, people. You know what I mean? It's out there. So you could dirty crackhead boy, go bail man, and go clean up and beard up yourself. Zine, and wheel and come again. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. But don't nobody think and pray say you're NEWLINK or what them do, them pay if you do this or do that. No, it's just reality, people, and I saw NEWLINK deal with them thing. But I like seeing people bring down people, and that's why my name now post him video for me thing, people. With them bag of lies and no. You mad? Post what? For what? And go write about breaking news, 5 man do this to MAVAD. Someone now waste blogger too. I tell you the truth. Honestly. No man. But I really love people. Yo, big up on yourself now viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Now we say attacking people. And I just peace, and love and respect, man. And people just keep on support the thing, man. Follow me on Instagram. You know what I mean? NEWLINK_production official, and Facebook NEWLINK Production, and Twitter NEWLINK Production. Peace out and respect, man, and attack. Be good, be great. Attack them.